In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add multiple sounds or songs on your TikTok video. So you can add multiple sounds into one TikTok video, and I'm going to show you how you can do that. Let's get started right now. So step number one is going to YouTube and finding the song or sound that you want to add to your video. Now for this video, I'm just going to use free no copyright songs so that I can actually make the video, but you can do this with any song. Now next up, you want to make sure to click on the video and screen record it with internal audio. Now some of you have Android devices where you can actually use the built-in screen recorder just like me. Most of you will have an iPhone. You can also use the built-in screen recorder. If you don't have any built-in screen recorders on your phone, I suggest going to the App Store or Play Store and simply searching for a screen recorder. Now if you're on Android, I highly recommend this app. It has over 50 million downloads and a 4.6 star review, so this definitely works. Now what you want to do next is click on the video, start watching it, and then record it with internal sound. And what it's going to do is basically going to capture the sound you need for your TikTok videos. Now once you're done doing that, you can go over to your gallery where you can see these videos. So I just, before making this video, I actually screen recorded these 3 songs. So right now I have all of these sounds. Now next up, you want to make sure to download this app called KineMaster, or however you pronounce it. Open that. It will actually rotate. Click on allow, and then you want to start editing these clips together so that you can actually post that to TikTok and then use that sound. So I'm just not gonna do anything with this. I'm just gonna use it because the watermark doesn't really matter. Now you can select any like aspect ratio, it doesn't really matter. Now next up, find the video that you screen recorded, which are these 3. So I'm just gonna click right here, and what I just did, I basically put these 3 screen recordings into one clip. Now all I need to do next is edit these. So let's say that I want to use 5 seconds. All you need to do basically is trim the clips so that it will actually fit the audio. And there you go. So right now I've put together these 3 clips, and I can then use these as my sound on TikTok. So right now I have these 3 different clips with audio, and all I need to do next is render this video. So all you need to do for that is to click on the icon right here in the top right corner. Then basically render this at any quality, it doesn't really matter. Click export, and then simply click on skip at the top right corner. And what it's going to do now is going to create your video, so it's exporting the clip. Now once this is done, we will have a clip with 3 different songs combined into one clip, and that's all we need, because right now once you have the clip, you can go to TikTok, you can click on the upload icon. I'm just going to allow access. There you go. Click on upload, then click on the clip that you just made. Here it is. I'm going to click on select, if that works. Let's see. There you go. Click on next, and there you go. So right now we have this clip. So what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to prove that there's audio on these clips. And there you go. So you can see and listen that there are 3 different songs in this one clip. Next up, you want to click on next, you want to click on next, and then you want to click right there and click on private. So you want to make sure to upload this as a private video. Click on post now, and that's all you need to do. So that's step number 1 basically. All you need to do is screen record, edit the video, and then upload it onto TikTok as a private post so that no one else is going to see it. Okay, upload it, then I'm going to click on that. Let's see if that works. Or I'm just going to close TikTok and open it again so that hopefully you can actually find the icon as well. So as you can see right there, I now have my own sound. If you click on the like playing button at the top, bottom right corner, right there, you'll see original sound. Now all you need to do is click on add to favorites, click on OK, and then click on use this sound. Now by doing that, you can start creating your TikTok with these 3 songs into one song. You can do this with 5 songs, 10 sounds, whatever. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you go ahead and leave a like. If you have any questions, hit me up in the comment section down below. And that's it for today. I hope you have a good day. If this video helped you out, please consider subscribing to my channel to help me grow the largest how-to channel on YouTube. I appreciate it.